Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Dr. Ilyas Ahmad Khan from Sadaat Quran Academy. In previous topics, we have learned the different part of speeches, pronunciations of the Arabic letters, and the rules of the Tajweed, like the minimum rules we have already learned. You know why we learned the Tajweed? Because it is very necessary, like the general science of Holy Quran, because any topic, any position, like the basis of any scholars have their own topics, their own basis, each and everything. But the Quran has their own generic science, which is very necessary for all Muslims who are reading or memorizing the Holy Quran. We have must to follow that rules. Okay, today we'll go at on the very new video, very more authentic topic, like the very must, which is very necessary for all the Quran readers or the memorization of the Holy Quran. Okay, first of all, if you are new in our video, in our channel, my request is like that you have to follow our channel first and click at on the bell icon to get the new notification. We'll just go at on the our explanation topic. I'll mention it on the whiteboard. Okay, viewers, first of all, I'll mention the topic here, rule of Noon Saakin. Rule of Noon Saakin, because there are the four basic rule of Noon Saakin, Izhar, Iqlab, Idgham, and Ikhwa, ghunnah as well. Okay, first of all, the very first rule is Izhar. Very first rule is Izhar. First of all, we have to go that what is the meaning, like the meaning point of Izhar. Why we'll read Izhar? What is the basis of Izhar? First, we'll go the means of Izhar is clear. Meaning of Izhar is clear, or another side you can say it the clean. Okay, you can say it the clean or cleanness. This will go the brief definition. After Noon Saakin and Tanween, there's a two kind is the mention here. Noon Saakin and Tanween. After Noon Saakin and Tanween, if there is any throttle letters, because in previous topic we have already learned the throat and the letter will those letter which will pronounce from throat, like the sixth throttle letter, and we have already learned the three part of throat, top, middle, and bottom. Each part of throat containing the two letters and different positions, because the six letters are in one group, but we'll mentionalize these six letters into the three brief groups. And I told you that how we'll pronounce this letter, because we'll just using the main three part of throat, upper, middle, and bottom. I'll also mention the structure of throat is here, like the human throat. Okay, we'll just go at our basic topic. I told you after Noon Saakin and Tanween, if there is an any throat letter of six of any, like then there are six throttle letters. If any throttle letter comes after Noon Saakin and Tanween, we will do Izhar in there. We will do Izhar in there, like we'll read the letter clearly with the clean sound. With the clean sound, we cannot be compressed the sound. We cannot be getting the sound in our nose. We cannot be drew the sound in there, but we'll read the letter with their exact position, in their exact form. Okay, those symbol which comes up, which comes down the letter, we have to read and mentionalize the letter with the exact form. For example, man khaffat, man khaffat. You know, noon comes with the sukoon symbol, like the connecting symbol. It's mean noon is the sakin here. We have to silent the noon here. We'll just read the sound of noon. We cannot be pronounce the noon fully with their symbol. We'll just pronounce the noon with the like the silent form. After Noon Saakin, you can see here there's an ha, solid ha, dotted ha. I told you ha and ghain will be pronounced from the top of throat with the vibrating sound, like the vibratal position. Okay, ha is coming after Noon Saakin. It's mean we'll read the ha with the clear sound, with their exact symbol, Man khaffat. Okay, man khaffat. Noon comes before the throat letter and noon comes with the sukun symbol. Another example is narun hamiyah. Narun hamiyah. You know, there is a two dhammatin is coming up on the ra, like the two dhammas. It's mean ra comes with tanween. Tanween mean fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain. Double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. Inshallah, in the next topic, we will also learn about the tanween and noon sakin. Just we'll mentalize the example here. Narun. No, ra comes with two dhammas. That's mean ra comes with tanween. Ra comes with tanween. We have to mentalize the letter here that after tanween, the another throat letter come in their exact position. Like after tanween, the letter are coming is a throat L. Okay, like the light ha. Okay, light ha we have to pronounce. I told you light ha and ain will be pronounced to using the middle of throat. Using the middle of throat. Here is narun hamiyah. Narun hamiyah. We have to minimum stop here upon the raw letter. We cannot be compress the sound in here like narun. If we are compressing the sound here, that's mean we are doing the incorrect position. We'll just monetize the letter, mentalize the letter in there, the minimum pronounce the sound of noon here, because in Tanween there is a sound of Noon Saakin. There is noon is not mentioned here, but this is a silent sound of the noon is present here. We'll just minimum, like in the simple position, we'll compress the sound of Tanween here, like narun. You'll just feel that the sound is compressing it in the nose, in the completely form. After Tanween, there is an ha, like the total letter. We have to read it as in the clear form, as in the clear form. Okay, okay, viewers, it's enough for today because we have learned the first part of Noon Sakin, which is Izhar, and we have already learned that how to mention the Izhar in Holy Quran, that how to follow the rule of Izhar in Holy Quran, because why it is must, why it is necessary. Okay, inshallah, tomorrow will come in the very new video. You'll just stay with us and you will share again and again this video, because when you'll share this video, the new viewers, the new Muslim get the different side of the knowledge is from here. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.